Hey there, I'm Mike Opheim with Edina Realty. Home seller tip number 7 is about truth in sale of housing inspections. These are inspections that some cities require home sellers to have done to their homes prior to selling. The inspections are conducted by city inspectors or private inspectors that are licensed with the city. Each city has its own rules and requirements, but most call for the inspection to be conducted before the home is put on the market and require a copy of the report to be accessible at the home during showings. The report includes checklists of items that have been inspected and an evaluation of their condition. The items that are not in good condition may be marked as a required repair and would need to be corrected prior to the city issuing a certificate of approval. Most cities require the certificate to be issued prior to closing on the sale of the home and for the buyer to sign an agreement to have all required repairs corrected and a certificate issued within 30 days after closing. They may also require the buyer to escrow money to pay for the repairs. So in the Twin Cities, most inner-ring cities do have some sort of city inspection requirement, but there's been some recent changes. So for an updated list, or if you have any questions, message me here, or you can find my contact information on my homepage or my link tree. Thanks.